Yeah.
Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today we have a lineup of beautiful muscle cars that we're going to be featuring on our YouTube. We're going to start with, in my opinion, the best one. This is a 1972 Cuda, Hemi under the hood with dual quads. Rotisserie done car, beautiful paint, great sound.
What a sweet looking car, D.
It is.
Absolutely gorgeous. And the cool thing is it's been a rotisserie restored. So it's all painted body color underneath as well.
I love the Hemi Billboard.
Look at that.
Just super nice.
It's got the dual quads. And you know what, D? It's got air conditioning, huh?
Yeah, look at
Power
that Hemi.
steering and air.
Here's your fender tag, still on the car. But as we mentioned, it's painted underneath body color, but even just the engine compartment, you know, the paint on the firewall, the quality under here is excellent. Got the right stickers, the right shaker sticker, which is always really neat.
Yeah, nice aluminum.
And it's got air
radiator.
conditioning.
Yeah, it's huge, isn't it?
I don't even know how they got everything to fit under there, but they did such a nice job.
It definitely works too. We went ahead and gave the air just a little bit of charge when it came in. It works great. A couple other things I want to point out. Obviously, this wasn't a Hemi car from the factory. It was a 1972. They put the Hemi, they put the shaker hood, they put the 1971 fenders on it too, which just made this a beautiful, what I'd call probably a resto mod, you know?
Yeah, well, with the air and the Hemi with dual quads, it's a really sharp car. I like the color a lot.
Yeah, this is definitely an eye-catching car from bumper to bumper. When it came in, we changed the wheels and tires. We also changed the stance just a little bit. They had it kind of sitting a little higher in the back than I liked. Tires are in great shape. Cooper Cobra, raised white letter tires, 235s in the front, 255s in the back. I love the rally rims as well, and the body is laser straight. Back of the hood needs to be, actually just goes down, just the hood hinge a little bit. Lines up beautiful. Fender gap is awesome from top to bottom. Bottom of the front fender is excellent. There's your tire tread. This is right on the verge of a trailer queen, isn't it?
It is.
Black vinyl top is excellent. No bubbles, blisters, nothing under there. Even on a nice car like this, you really got to look close. Sometimes under those vinyl tops, you'll still see some little bubbles and rust and stuff, no matter how much money was spent. Very common for those. This one is excellent. Love the billboard, laser straight body, all the way up and down the passenger side.
I like what they did with the trunk too. I mean, even having the correct spare with the little fill flat bottle, and just really nice.
Yeah, if you're looking for a car you can jump right in and enjoy, especially a Hemi with air.
Yeah,
I mean, that's kind of unheard of.
You don't find that very often.
It's got the little space saver. It's got all that stuff there. Again, trunk floor is painted just as nice. It's beautiful. Done very, very professionally. It's got the correct dual exhaust tips. Trunk really lines up pretty nice, D.
It does.
Sticks up just a little bit there, but could be tightened a little bit down there in the middle, but not bad. Especially with a spoiler on it. Get that door? Yeah. As we look here, just on the inner tubs, that kind of gives you an idea of the quality. Beautiful exhaust too. Looks like 3-inch exhaust on this thing.
That sounds great at idle end when it's revved up too.
Corner of the door is awesome. Door jamb paint's beautiful. Fenders, doors, hood, trunk lid, all that was taken off. Again, rotisserie restored. Beautiful job. Whoever gets this is just going to love it. Look at the corners of the doors. In behind the fenders are all properly done. Roof rail rubbers, quarter rubbers, all that is new. Billboard tucks in here. It's got an aftermarket tack. That works, and aftermarket gauges. Dash pad is beautiful. It's got the, looks like the 3 speakers up there, 2 on each side, 1 in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and get that seat for me. Carpet is beautiful. The inside was just done very, very professionally. Dome light works. A couple little wrinkles in the headliner, but not bad at all. Back door panels, back shelf, and back seats, excellent. Seat belts in the front and seat belts for 2 in the rear.
There's a little tiny scratch just on the billboard right there. I almost didn't see it, but
Yeah, right there. Very small. Shows a little bit of the yellow through, doesn't it? Love the yellow paint with the black. It's gorgeous.
yeah, I do too.
Absolutely gorgeous. I'm excited to drive this one.
Me too. I just got to pull it around, up front here, and didn't get to get on it, but I'm excited to see what it can do.
Bottom of the door is excellent. No bubbles, no blisters, no issues anywhere down along here. I kind of like to keep this one for myself.
I did notice a small, you can't hardly see it in the natural light, but there's a couple small little paint cracks there by the hood pin.
Yeah, you can just feel them too, right here. Thanks for pointing that out,
Yep.
G. I've never seen that. It's very minor right there above that. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Nice chrome mirrors there. There's your original February of 1972 is when it was produced. That all looks great. Was original Barracuda. Like I said, now that's why I kind of call it the resto mod. Now it's a 71 front with a Hemi in it. Started life obviously as a 1972 Barracuda, which at this point in its life doesn't really matter. Seats are excellent. Again, door jambs, rubbers, everything. Just like you'd want on a rotisserie restored car. It's got the correct choke down here, hand choke. It's got the correct car bear latch here. Alpine CD player, remote mirror. Remote mirror works good. There's your tachometer. And just around the edges, like all the plastic and the visors are tight. Very, very nice car.
It is. And I had it warming up for about 20 minutes before the video, so that engine's nice and warm.
As far as our headlamp work, as far as the dome light works with the doors. Door buzzer works too, D. So that works.
And that little switch there for the rear defrost, that must be like an ignition.
He's just got
shock.
it's just got like a kill switch on it, so somebody doesn't steal it. Up is on, down is on, just off. It'll be a kill switch as well. See that?
Yep, so it won't start if it's in the middle there. Up, it'll start, and it'll start when it's down. Some gauges down here, which are nice, tell you exactly what you're reading for oil pressure, temp, and amp. As you can see, I got it all warmed up
oil
here.
pressure?
Oil pressure is good. We're warmed up to 185.
Good. Oil pressure on idle is 40. Goes up to 80 on a rev. Okay. This Alpine CD player is something I had back in the day, man. Exactly, I had the same one.
Still sounds good.
This is awesome, dude. Freaking exciting. Great song, great car. Horn works, gas gauge works. Factory clock does not work. Alternator gauge works, but you got the gauges down there as well. Tack works over here. Wipers work, the blades are nice. Rear view mirror's nice and tight.
This thing is cool, man. This is gonna turn so many heads, win some trophies.
It's running, that's doing better now.
With
It's
the dual
running just
quads,
a little
it'll run a
rich,
little
yeah.
bit rich, but
As far as, it is a reverse valve body. No, it's a manual valve body, not a reverse.
okay. So you just one is still
Normal,
one down
yep.
there. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, she's gonna be torquey and fast.
She's gonna want to go. We don't need the radio, do we? All over here too. Our air conditioning's off right now. But the air,
Yeah, you can
fan
already
works
feel it.
good, air works good too. So
Nice.
I don't want to spin any gravel. This thing wants to roll.
Yeah, it does.
What do you think of her?
It's damn cool.
You like it? Turnstiles work on the hood too.
Damn. Wow. God, that thing's awesome. That's gonna be.
I drove
hard
it when
not
it
to
first
spin
came in with
tires.
those big ass stupid wheels it had on it, and then it had a way too high of a suspension. We lowered that suspension a little bit. Now it's kind of fun.
Oh yes, it's good. Yeah, this thing would be hard not to not to burn tires in. You got a car coming on your right, but
Here's the idle. I mean, this is where we got it set up. We haven't had the guys really tune it. This is just how it came in. It's idling about 5.6. You can tell it's got a decent cam in it. It just wants to jump.
Oh, I know.
It?
It's wicked. Yeah, it'll sit and idle nice too. I had it idling the whole time out front and never died. So especially with Hemi with dual quads, idle sit up nice. Truck coming on your right. I know everyone wants to ruin our fun.
We just get to spend a little more time in it. That's all. Yeah, not too many Hemis. Can you sit there with dual quads and idle about 500-600 RPM?
Yeah, and I got a car on your lap. Oh, jeez.
Was that just...
That was just giving her a little throttle.
Oh, my God.
It's wild. Damn. Jesus. Wow. What a fast, fun car.
That was awesome. And I don't know if you noticed, but look how nice it steers.
I know. That's crazy.
I don't think the drone's keeping up.
No, I don't think so.
All right, one other thing we forgot to mention, it's got four-wheel disc brakes, and they work excellent, right?
Yeah.
But it does not have power brakes, and it's not going to with that cam.
No.
Right? It's just not going to work with the crap. So the brake
It's got the
pedal
disc,
is a little hard,
yeah.
but it stops well.
This might be the wickedest, most scary fast car I've been in.
What?
Yeah, we've been in some fast ones, but just the torquiness of it with your, and even that, it's still idle great with you. Jesus.
But it really feels safe there.
Man.
I spent most of my time just watching the tack.
Yeah.
Right? So I wasn't watching the road,
No.
and I still held on fine.
Yeah. Man, this thing is awesome.
But if you just want to put it in drive, that was 4,000 RPM right there.
What a car.
You know, it just runs and drives awesome. Turn
Show-winning
signal.
quality with race-winning speed and power.
Yeah.
And comfort with the AC. I mean, it's got it all. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.